Imagine this. Your day starts off great, but then something unexpected happens. Maybe it's a setback at work, an argument with someone, or just one of those days where everything feels off. Some people break under pressure, while others push through with resilience and clarity. What's the difference? Mental strength. Your mind is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. And just like physical strength, mental toughness isn't something you are born with. It's built through daily habits that help you stay calm, focused, and unshaken no matter what life throws at you. In this video, we'll go over 15 simple but powerful habits that will help you develop an unbreakable mindset. Stick around until the end because these habits can completely transform the way you handle challenges. Let's dive in. Start your day with a mindful moment. How do you start your mornings? If you're like most people, you wake up and immediately check your phone. Maybe you read emails, scroll through social media, or jump straight into work mode. But did you know that how you start your day can set the tone for the entire day? Instead of rushing into the world of notifications and distractions, try starting your morning with mindfulness. This could be as simple as sitting quietly with your eyes closed for a few minutes, focusing on your breathing, or just being truly present while sipping your morning tea or coffee. When you practice mindfulness first thing in the morning, you give your mind a chance to wake up without stress or urgency. It helps you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions rather than being reactive to them. This single habit can improve focus, reduce anxiety, and set a positive mindset for the day ahead. Try this tomorrow. Before you pick up your phone, take a deep breath. Spend 5 minutes sitting in silence or practicing gratitude. Just setting the intention can make a huge difference in how you handle challenges throughout the day. Mental strength isn't about avoiding stress, it's about handling it better. And it all starts with how you begin your day. Reframe negative thoughts. Negative thoughts are like weeds in a garden. If you don't deal with them, they take over and suffocate the good things growing in your mind. The truth is, everyone has negative thoughts, even the most confident and successful people. But what makes the difference is how you handle them. Mentally strong people don't allow negative thoughts to control their actions. Instead, they reframe them and turn them into something productive. Let's say you fail at something, a work project, an exam, a fitness goal. Your first thought might be, I am a failure. I'll never be good at this. Why does this always happen to me? These thoughts are not only harsh but also inaccurate. Failing at something doesn't mean you are a failure, it means you are learning. The key is to pause and challenge your thoughts. Ask yourself, is this really true? Are you really a failure or did you just experience a setback? Would I say this to a friend? If a friend failed, would you tell them that they are useless? Probably not. What's a better way to think about this? Now, try flipping the script. Instead of I'm terrible at this, say I'm learning and I will improve. Instead of this is a disaster, say this is a challenge and I will figure it out. Your brain believes the story you tell it. If you constantly feed it negativity, it will focus on what's wrong. But if you train yourself to catch, challenge, and reframe negative thoughts, you'll build mental resilience and a stronger, more positive mindset. Develop a daily gratitude practice. Gratitude isn't just a feel good emotion, it's a mental strength booster that rewrites your brain for resilience. Think about it. When you're stressed, overwhelmed, or dealing with setbacks, your mind tends to fixate on what's wrong. But what if, instead of drowning in negativity, you trained your brain to recognize the good that still exists? That's exactly what gratitude does. Studies show that people who practice gratitude daily experience lower stress levels, stronger relationships, and a more optimistic outlook. This isn't just psychological, it's backed by neuroscience. When you focus on what you're grateful for, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the chemicals responsible for happiness and emotional stability. Over time, this habit strengthens your brain's ability to find positivity even in difficult moments. So, how do you build a gratitude habit? Start simple. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. They don't have to be big. Maybe it's a good cup of coffee, a kind smile from a stranger, or a peaceful moment before bed. Say thank you more often. Expressing gratitude to others not only strengthens your relationships but also reinforces a positive mindset. Reflect on past struggles you have overcome. This reminds you of your resilience and stress. The best part, Gratitude is contagious. The more you practice it, the more you'll start seeing the good in everyday life. And that shift in perspective makes you mentally unshakable. When challenges come, you'll naturally focus on solutions rather than problems. And that's what true mental strength looks like, being able to recognize the good even when life gets tough. Set boundaries and learn to say no. Being mentally strong isn't about doing everything for everyone. It's about knowing when to say no and protecting your energy. If you constantly put others' needs above your own, you'll end up exhausted, resentful, and mentally drained. That's why setting boundaries is not just important, it's essential for long term mental strength. Many people struggle with setting boundaries because they fear disappointing others. They don't want to be seen as selfish or unkind. But here's the truth: saying yes to everything doesn't make you kind, it makes you overwhelmed. When you constantly overextend yourself, you have less time, energy, and patience for the things that truly matter. Think about this. Every time you say yes to something that doesn't align with your priorities, you are saying no to something that does. You are saying no to rest, to your personal goals, to your well being. Your time and energy are valuable, and not everyone deserves unlimited access to them. Start setting boundaries by being clear and firm. If someone asks for a favor that overwhelms you, practice responses like, "I'd love to help, but I can't commit to that right now. I appreciate the offer, but I need to focus on other priorities. That doesn't work for me, but I hope you find the support you need." The first few times, saying no might feel uncomfortable, but over time it gets easier and you'll notice a shift. You'll feel more in control, more balanced, and less stressed. Mentally strong people know that protecting their peace isn't selfish, it's necessary. And when you set healthy boundaries, you show the world that your well being matters. Challenge yourself daily. Mental strength isn't just about handling stress, it's about actively pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Growth doesn't happen when things are easy. It happens when you face challenges, stretch your limits, and prove to yourself that you are capable of more than you think. Think about a time when you accomplished something difficult. Maybe you learned a new skill, overcame a fear, or stepped up in a tough situation. At first, it probably felt uncomfortable, maybe even impossible. But by pushing through, you grew stronger, more confident, and more resilient. That's the power of daily challenges. The key is to intentionally seek out discomfort. Do one thing each day that challenges you, even if it's small. It could be speaking up in a meeting instead of staying silent, trying a new skill that intimidates you, like public speaking or learning a new language, facing a fear head on. Maybe that means talking to a stranger, applying for a job you feel unqualified for, or taking a cold shower. Doing something physically tough, like pushing yourself in a workout or waking up earlier than usual. Each time you challenge yourself, you send a powerful message to your brain: I can handle hard things. Over time, this builds confidence and resilience. The things that once scared you start to feel normal, and your ability to tackle bigger obstacles increases. Avoiding discomfort keeps you stagnant, but embracing challenges, even small ones, trains your mind to be fearless, and that makes you mentally unstoppable. Take care of your physical health. Your mind and body are deeply connected. If your body isn't functioning, well, your mental strength will take a hit. When you're exhausted, malnourished, or sedentary, it's much harder to stay focused, regulate your emotions, or push through difficult situations. That's why taking care of your physical health isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling strong, energized, and mentally resilient. Let's break it down. Exercise regularly. Physical movement isn't just for fitness, it's one of the most effective ways to improve your mental health. Exercise releases endorphins, your brain's natural stress relievers, and boosts dopamine and serotonin, which enhance your mood. You don't need to spend hours at the gym. Even a 15-minute walk, yoga session, or quick stretch can make a difference. Eat nutritional foods. Your brain needs proper fuel to function. If you are constantly eating processed foods, excessive sugar, or skipping meals, your energy levels and focus will suffer. Prioritize whole foods like fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and protein. Hydration is key too. Dehydration can cause fatigue and brain fog. Get enough sleep. Sleep is non-negotiable when it comes to mental strength. Lack of rest leads to irritability, poor decision making, and emotional instability. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and create a bedtime routine to help your body wind down. No screens, dim lighting, and calming activities like reading or journaling. Taking care of your body isn't a luxury, it's a foundation for mental resilience. When you feel physically strong, your mind is more focused, more stable, and better equipped to handle life's challenges. Don't underestimate the power of daily physical self care. It's one of the greatest investments in your mental well being. Learn to control what you can and let go of the rest. One of the biggest sources of stress, anxiety, and frustration is trying to control everything: other people's opinions, unpredictable situations, or even the future. But the reality is, no matter how much you plan or worry, some things will always be out of your hand. The key to mental strength is recognizing what you can control and what you need to let go of. Think about how much energy is wasted worrying about things you have no influence over. Maybe you are frustrated by a traffic jam, an unexpected work decision, or how someone responded to your message. You can't control the traffic, your boss's choices, or another person's reactions, but you can control how you respond to them. And that's where your power lies. Mentally strong people focus on what they can control: their thoughts, actions, and responses, rather than wasting energy on things beyond their influence. Instead of dwelling on problems, they shift their focus to solutions. Here's how to put this into practice. Pause and ask yourself, is this within my control? If the answer is no, let it go. If the answer is yes, take action. Focus on your response. You can't control rude people, but you can control your reaction. You can't change past mistakes, but you can learn from them. Accept uncertainty. Life is unpredictable, and that's okay. The more you embrace this, the less power unexpected challenges will have over you. The moment you stop trying to control everything, you'll feel lighter, calmer, and mentally stronger. Because true strength comes from knowing what's yours to handle and letting go of what isn't. Practice self-compassion. We are often our own worst critics. When we make a mistake, fall short of expectations, or struggle with something, our inner voice can be ruthless, telling us we are not good enough, smart enough, or capable enough. But mentally strong people understand the power of self-compassion. Instead of tearing themselves down, they treat themselves with the same kindness they would offer a friend. Think about this. If a close friend came to you feeling discouraged after failing at something, would you call them a failure? Would you tell them they'll never succeed? Of course not. You'd offer encouragement, remind them that mistakes are part of learning, and help them see their strengths. So why do we talk to ourselves so differently? Self-compassion doesn't mean ignoring mistakes or avoiding accountability. It means acknowledging your struggles without self-punishment. It means saying, I made a mistake, but that doesn't define me. I'm learning, and growth takes time. It's okay to struggle. I am human. This shift in mindset is powerful. Studies show that people who practice self-compassion are more resilient, less stressed, and more motivated than those who are overly critical of themselves. Instead of being paralyzed by failure, they see it as an opportunity to grow. Try this simple practice. When you catch yourself being self-critical, pause and ask, would I say this to a friend? If not, reframe it with kindness. Treat yourself as you would treat someone you care about. Because mental strength isn't about being perfect, it's about being kind to yourself, learning from setbacks, and moving forward with confidence. Take breaks when needed. In a world that glorifies hustle culture, taking a break can sometimes feel like a weakness. We are conditioned to believe that success comes from pushing harder, working longer, and never slowing down. But the truth is, non-stop effort leads to burnout, not strength. Mental strength isn't just about endurance, it's about knowing when to rest so you can perform at your best. Think of your mind like a battery. If you run it non-stop without recharging, what happens? It drains, slows down, and eventually shuts off. That's exactly what happens when you ignore your need for rest. Your focus fades, your emotions become harder to manage, and even small tasks start to feel overwhelming. Taking breaks isn't laziness, it's a smart strategy for long-term success. Here's how to incorporate intentional breaks into your routine. Micro breaks throughout the day. Stand up, stretch, take deep breaths, or go for a short walk. Even 5 minutes away from your desk can refresh your mind. Scheduled downtime. Block your time in your calendar for activities that help you recharge, like reading, listening to music, or enjoying a quiet cup of tea. Unplug from technology. Scrolling through social media doesn't count as a break. Give your mind a real reset by stepping away from screens. Take longer rest periods. Vacations, weekend getaways, or even a full day of doing nothing can be incredibly restorative. Mentally strong people don't push through exhaustion. They listen to their bodies and prioritize recovery. Because when you take care of yourself, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Embrace discomfort as growth. Many people run away from discomfort. It's natural. Our brains are wired to seek safety and avoid pain. But here's the truth: growth never happens inside your comfort zone. If you want to build real mental strength, you need to embrace discomfort and see it as a sign that you are evolving. Think about the times you have grown the most in life. Were they easy? Probably not. Maybe it was stepping into a new job, having a tough conversation, or facing a fear head on. Those moments felt uncomfortable, maybe even terrifying, but they made you stronger, wiser, and more capable. Discomfort is not a signal to stop, it's a sign that you're expanding your limits. Every time you push through something difficult, you train your mind to handle stress, uncertainty, and fear more effectively. That's how confidence is built, not by avoiding challenges, but by proving to yourself that you can face them. Here's how you can embrace discomfort as growth. Instead of seeing discomfort as something to fear, see it as a sign of progress. Tell yourself, this means I'm growing. Challenge yourself in little ways daily. Take a cold shower, try a new workout, or have a conversation that makes you nervous. If something scares you but could help you grow, do it anyway. Growth lives on the other side of fear. Mentally strong people don't seek an easy life. They seek a meaningful life. And meaning comes from stepping into discomfort, facing challenges, and discovering what you are truly capable of. Practice deep breathing when stressed. Stress can feel overwhelming, like a tidal wave crashing over you. Your heart races, your muscles tense, and your thoughts spiral. In those moments, it's easy to feel powerless. But here's one simple tool that can help you regain control instantly: your breath. Deep breathing is one of the most effective ways to calm your nervous system and bring yourself back to the present moment. When you are stressed, your body activates its fight or flight response, releasing stress hormones like cortisol. But controlled breathing signals to your brain that you are safe, helping you shift into a state of relaxation. A simple yet powerful technique to practice is box breathing. Other breathing techniques like the 4-7-8 method or diaphragmatic breathing, breathing deeply into your belly rather than your chest, can also be incredibly effective in managing stress. The best part, you can do this anytime, anywhere. Whether you are feeling anxious before a big meeting, overwhelmed by emotions, or simply need to reset, deep breathing is a tool that keeps you grounded. Mentally strong people don't let stress control them. They take a deep breath, center themselves, and face challenges with clarity and calmness. Reframe failures as lessons. Failure feels like a punch to the gut. It stings, it's frustrating, and it can shake your confidence. But here's the thing: the difference between those who succeed and those who give up isn't luck or talent. It's the ability to learn from failure and keep going. Mentally strong people don't fear failure, they expect it. They know that every mistake, every misstep, and every setback carries a lesson. Instead of saying, I failed, so I'm not good enough, they say, this didn't work. What can I learn from it? This mindset shift is what separates people who grow from those who stay stuck. Here's how to reframe failure as a success. Detach failure from your identity. Just because something didn't work out doesn't mean you are a failure. It means you are trying, learning, and improving. Analyze what went wrong. Instead of dwelling on disappointment, look at the situation objectively. What could you do differently next time? Reframe failure as feedback. Every setback is just data. It's information guiding you towards a better approach. Remind yourself of past successes. Think of a time when you struggled but eventually figured it out. This will reinforce the belief that you can overcome challenges. Thomas Edison famously said, I have not failed. I have found 10,000 ways that won't work. That's the mindset of resilience. Mentally strong people don't let failure define them. They take the lesson, adjust their approach, and move forward with even more determination. Because every failure is just another step towards success. End your day with reflection. Life moves fast. Most days, we rush from one task to another without taking a moment to pause and think. But mentally strong people make time for reflection. They don't just live, they learn, grow, and improve every single day. And one of the simplest ways to do that, ending the day with reflection. Before you go to bed, take a few minutes to go over your day. Ask yourself, what went well today? Even on tough days, there's always something to appreciate. A small victory, a kind gesture, or a moment of joy. What could have gone better? Instead of beating yourself up over mistakes, approach them with curiosity. What lessons can you take away? How did I handle challenges? Were you patient, reactive, or resilient? Recognizing your response helps you grow emotionally. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right, helping you sleep with a lighter heart. Journaling these thoughts can be a powerful habit. Writing them down allows you to track your progress over time and recognize patterns in your behavior. It's not about self criticism, it's about self awareness and self improvement. When you reflect, you give yourself permission to celebrate wins, acknowledge growth, and correct course when needed. This practice helps you wake up the next day feeling focused, intentional, and stronger. Success isn't about doing things perfectly every day. It's about learning from each experience and striving to be a little better than you were yesterday. End your day with reflection, and you'll start each morning with renewed clarity, purpose, and mental strength. Mental strength isn't something you are born with, it's something you build, one habit at a time. Every small choice you make reshapes your resilience, your mindset, and your ability to handle life's challenges. And the best part, you don't need to make massive changes overnight. Just start with one habit. Maybe today you practice gratitude, tomorrow you reframe a failure. The day after, you give yourself permission to rest. Each step brings you closer to becoming the strongest version of yourself. Remember, mental strength isn't about never struggling. It's about knowing you have the tools to push through when things get tough. It's about choosing progress over perfection, self-compassion over self-criticism, and resilience over giving up. It's about understanding that every challenge is an opportunity to grow. So ask yourself, what's one habit from this video that you can start practicing today? Drop it in the comments below and let's support each other on this journey. Thank you for tuning into today's episode. Until next time, keep growing.